So Mykonos sadly got cancelled.
But we're in Santorini now.
So we're now lining up to get into the cable line to get up to Santorini, but the line is so long, and there's also a staircase, but it's 600 steps. And I don't know if I'm prepared to do it, but the cable car is like 5 or 10 euro. It's not a return trip either. So I think we'll take the stairs back down, but on the way up, definitely cable car.
Alright, we made it up, and this is the view that we have. I did not expect there to be so many beautiful stores. Oh my gosh. So we found a staircase that goes back down to the port, but I'm not sure if they allow you back up it, but at least you can walk down for free, so that's good. Don't have to spend 10 euro each on the cable car back down. The sun has set. We're walking around, just exploring. There's beautiful cobblestone floors everywhere. And honestly, it's just a lot of restaurants, bars, cafes, shopping. All the souvenir shops kind of sell the similar things. A lot of donkey references everywhere because of all the mules here, but it's just stunning. It's really busy as well, but it's perfect. They also have these really beautiful jewelry stores all over the place, like really modern, really well done, really nice, beautiful pieces in there as well. Look at how cute these souvenirs are.
You pick out one of those. Alright, give me a second. Alright, thank you.
We've come to this area here that's like completely open, but it's just restaurants and cafes and dessert places. Like such a good outdoor restaurant experience, but it's like not on the water. It definitely feels way more relaxed here. Like you can just get a casual bite and not have to go into a 5-star restaurant. We found where the Macca's is and all the clubs as well. This is gonna be the fanciest McDonald's outdoor seating ever. What the hell? Hi, honey. You're so cute. There's even a Sephora here. Oh my gosh, what the hell?